Hey everyone, welcome to Drag. Drag is an all-in-one workspace in Gmail. It's been built to stop teams needing to swap between different tools to run their business, particularly if they're email-focused teams. I'm going to ask for 4 minutes of your time to explain the different ways that you can set up Drag for you and your team. Aside from this 4-minute video, there are 3 ways that we can support you also. Firstly, live chat available on our website. Secondly, our help center where you can get detailed tutorials on setting up and using Drag. And then thirdly, email to support@dragapp.com. And we aim to either resolve any questions by email or schedule a customer champion call where we can help you further. So Drag is used for lots of different reasons. Everything from help desk to CRM, marketing and project management, and the list goes on. And today, what we're going to do is look at 3 different ways to use Drag so that your team can run their workflows from inside their inbox. And setting up boards are really easy. There are empty boards for things like to-do lists and project management. And then there are shared inboxes and Google Groups boards for things like help desk, CRM, and customer onboarding. And this is for when the workflow is very heavily email focused. In our first example, we'll be setting up a help desk that looks like this. So what you're seeing in front of you is a real-time help desk and it sits inside Gmail. And this help desk has been set up so that support@email addresses will come into here in real time. And your entire team can help organize, can respond to emails and can close tickets, and it's really easy to do. Here's where you set up a shared inbox or a Google Groups board. And for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to set up another help desk here. So we'd select that help desk. We then go to next step. We can now invite team members to the board. And the final step is to choose whether we want this board to be the empty board or a shared inbox or a Google group. So in this context, we're going to choose shared inbox and we will call this a help desk V2. And then we'll select the email address that will be the shared email address that myself and Brenner and Duda in this example would look to all use. So we then create that board. And what it means is that immediately, whenever an email now comes in to help@dragapp.com, it would come into this board in real time. And we also have this particular board set up so that it's collaborative. So anyone within our team can be in their own Gmail, can navigate to this board and can see all of the emails coming in and therefore manage the entire help desk function within your business inside Gmail. Another really useful point to note is that collaboration works across domains. So what we mean by that is that you may have consultants or contractors that are not in the same domain, but they can still share these boards as long as they're a Gmail or a Google Workspace user. And the other way to use Drag is an empty board. It's really similar to the previous example and has all of the same high-level features of a shared inbox or a Google Groups board. The key difference is that these boards are set up without incoming emails automatically coming into them. An example of this may be project management or to-do lists, where your workflow is not email focused, nor does it depend on a shared email address such as sales@. So this is a simple project management process. As you can see, we have all of Drag's features, however it's not set up to receive incoming emails automatically. A quick note, however, you can retrospectively turn this into a shared inbox or a Google Groups board by simply adding incoming email, and this will take you through the exact same steps as I showed you before. So that means taking an empty board and then configuring it so that a shared email address such as help@ again can be configured to be added to the board. So what you can see here on these boards is that these are not emails. They're simply cards that have been created manually as a way to manage a task or to track progress. And another really useful feature is that we can go to other boards where you may actually be having emails coming in. Let's say this one, for example, that we can take these cards and we can drop them into that project management board. And as soon as I release that, what that would mean is that this card would be available to the project management board, and the entire team that can collaborate on that board can reply in real time, do all of those extra features that are really useful within Drag. We have more features such as automations, reports, templates, reply settings, permissions. That's for a later video. For now, good luck with Drag and thanks for taking the time to view this video. Thank you.